Good morning, my friends. This is Tanya at Sidegigcrafts, and I have a project share for you today. This is, if you guys remember, I was making that little sewing machine recently in one of my previous videos. I have finished it. Oh my gosh, I love how it turned out, you guys. I've got the little drawer here with some buttons in it. And I've got this one. I ended up putting a little magnet on top so I could put some buttons in there. I've got the little wood spool. Make sure you can see this little wood spool on top. I dropped some gold thread around. I stacked some buttons on here for the knob on the side and the little knob here. I used a pick, one of the heart picks from, I think it was Dollar Tree, and then I broke it off and put the little sticky pokey end in there. And I am absolutely loving how this turned out. I used some flowers or some stickers that I had in my stash for the detail, and it's done. So this is going out to Navasha by the time you guys see it. She will have received it. So I'm excited to see what she thinks of it. I hope you guys like it. Wanted to make sure that I gave you that follow-up. And yeah, this is how it turned out. Yay! It's done. Have a wonderful day, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.